Hello you guys. So as you can see, my camera, I dropped my camera and it's breaking, so that's why it has this little glow on the left side of the, or on the side of the screen. So I'm going to be fixing that soon. Anyway, I got my order today of the Retro Bombs bath box. You can see here. And wait till you see what is inside this bath box from Retro Bombs. Different companies made the various products in this bath box from Retro Bombs. So now I'll turn the camera around and we'll see what it's like. First of all, I love that she made the box look like a paper trapper keeper that we used to keep our notebooks in. It looks just like one. And the paper and the sticker are so pretty. I love that bath sticker. Ooh, so bright and pretty. All right, so this is the Retro Bombs bathtub time machine box. Back to school again. Submerge yourself in nostalgia. There's a School Days Bath Bomb by Rock and Oil Naturals, an Art Splash Bubble Bar by Mad and Mac Bath, a Bubblegum Wow Bath Bomb by Mama Bass, Unicorn Fluff Whipped Soap by Mama Bass, a Crocheted Rainbow Washcloth by Me and Mom's Crafts, a Crayon Bubble Bar by Mystique Bubbles, Lip Smacker Dr. Pepper Lip Balm, and some 80s school essentials. Now this is the crayon soap, and this is made by Mystique Bubbles on Etsy.com, and this is in their lollipop scent. Looks exactly like a purple crayon. I can't wait to use this. And this is Unicorn Fluff Whipped Soap by Mama Bass, handmade soap here on Instagram. This is in their saltwater taffy scent. And then we have this 80s school essential pack with retractable pens and a Lip Smackers Dr. Pepper lip balm and pencils. And then we have this Bubblegum Wow Bath Bomb by Mama Bass in their classic bubblegum scent. I can't wait to use this and demo video this for you. Here is, oh my gosh, this one is from Rock Oil Naturals. It's called School Days Bath Bomb in blue raspberry and strawberry soda scent. This is one of the things that made me want to buy this box, was this bath bomb. And the other thing that made me want to buy this box is the Art Splash Bubble Bar here from Mad and Mac Bath here on Instagram. They also have a website, madandmacbath.com. This is in their cherry limeade scent. It's the coolest thing I've ever seen. This is gorgeous, 100% cotton hand crocheted rainbow washcloth from Me and Mom's Crafts on Etsy.com. And so that's my haul from Retro Bombs, and thanks for watching. And I'll be uploading demo tub videos of all these the bubble bars and the bath bomb and how they look in the tub here on my Instagram video, so be on the lookout for that. I'll let you know when I have those videos up. Thanks for watching, you guys, and we'll talk to you soon on the next review and haul video. Bye bye.